Problem number 6, I have to find the equation that best represents the data in the table below. For this problem, unfortunately, there's no easy way of getting the answer. However, you can reduce a lot of your answer choices by simply using nice numbers to plug into the equation to figure out which one of these will represent the data in the table below. Okay, so you have 5 different sets of numbers that you can look at. I have if x is equal to 0, y is going to be equal to 3. When x is 3, y is 7. When x is 6, y is 11. When x is 9, y is 15. And when x is 12, y is 19. So I'm not going to choose the large numbers. They're just a little bit too difficult to work with. So instead, I'm just only choose 2 pairs of numbers to work with. So here, everywhere I see in my equation, I'm going to put in here a. Everywhere I see x, I'm going to replace it with the number 0. So here it becomes 4 times 0 minus 3. And wherever I see y, I'm going to replace it with the number 3. And I'm going to see whether or not it equals to 12. Okay? Because I don't know yet, this little question mark above my equal sign is telling me that I need to prove that the left-hand side is equal to my right-hand side. 4 times 0 is going to be 0. And 3 times 3 is going to be 9. And the reason why I did the multiplication first is because of the order of operation. By PEMDAS, I need to do multiplication first before I subtract. Okay? So I still don't know whether it's equal to 12 or not. But I know 0 minus 9, if I start with 0, I have nothing. So when I take away 9, that means I'm in the negative. I am borrowing negative 9. And negative 9 does not equal to 12. So answer choice A is going to be gone. However, for B, it's still the same equation. 4 times 0 minus 3 times 3 gives me negative 9. And here, I already solved this. I got negative 9 from part A. And negative 9 is indeed equal to negative 9. So I'm going to put a dot by B. Because more than likely, you're going to have to go back and use the second ordered pair in order to prove, because there might be 2 answer choices where it gives you the first true response for the first ordered pair. So let's try C now. Wherever I see the letter X, I replace it with the number 0. Wherever I see Y, I replace it with the number 3, just because I'm using the first ordered pair right here. And I want to prove that it's equal to negative 12. Well, 3 times 0 is 0, minus 4 times 3 is 12. Well, if I started out with 0 and I take away 12, I'm going to end up with negative 12. And that is indeed equal to each other. So I'm going to put a dot by C, just so you know, B and C, both are possible answer choices. And then for D, same thing as answer choice C, except now I want to prove it to be equal to 9. I am going to save myself some work. I'm not going to do all the work because I know right off the bat that it will not equal to 9. It is indeed negative 12 on the left-hand side and 9 on the right-hand side. So D is not a possible answer choice. So I can cross out D also. Okay? Let me try and get a different color so you can see. Alright. So answer choice B. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use the second order pair now. So here, wherever I see X, I'm going to replace it with the number 3. And wherever I see Y, I'm going to replace it with the number 7. Okay? 4 times 3 is going to be 12. 3 times 7 is going to be 21. 12 minus 21, that means I'm going to be borrowing. So I'm going to end up with negative 9. And that is indeed equal to negative 9. So answer choice B gets 2 dots for me. Okay? Moving on to answer choice C, but using the second order pair now. 3 times 3 minus 4 times 7. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 7 is 28. 9 minus 28, well, I only have 9, so my answer is going to be negative. And what I think about when I do this is I'm going to make sure I'm going to turn all of these signs, okay? That's positive 9 added to negative 28, because minus 28 is the same thing as adding to negative 28. And here, if I have negative 28 and I have positive 9, that means that I'm going to have more negatives than I will have positive. And if I cross out 9 positives and 9 negatives, it leaves me with 21 negatives. And that does not equal to negative 12. Okay? So that means answer choice C can be eliminated. Let me do this one. Sorry, don't need to have this there. So my answer choice for number 6 is going to be B.